In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use wireframes in Miro. First, let's head over to the Miro homepage and make sure you're logged in to access your workspace. This is where all the magic begins, as Miro provides an intuitive platform for all your team collaboration needs. On the homepage, look for the option called Explore Templates. This feature is particularly helpful as it gives you a plethora of different templates curated for various needs. Clicking on Explore Templates will open up a world of possibilities, giving you the tools to get productive and creative with ease. Once you're in the templates section, you'll notice that Miro is packed with an extensive range of templates covering everything from project management boards to mind maps. But for today, what we are interested in is wireframes. So let's type wireframes in the search bar. This will filter the templates to present only those related to wireframes, making it much easier to find the right design for your project. As you can see, there's a variety of wireframe templates available, each designed to meet different design requirements. Wireframes are an essential part of the design process, providing a skeletal outline of your project's visual structure. Furthermore, wireframes help in aligning both the design and development aspects of any project. So take a moment to scroll through these options and decide which one aligns best with your needs. Once you've made your choice, simply click on the wireframe template that appeals to you. Now, you'll want to make the design your own, so click on the Use button, which will allow you to start customizing it. After clicking Use, the template will open up in the Miro board where you can start editing it to fit your particular requirements. This is where your creativity shines, and you can adjust the layout, change the text, or modify other elements to turn this template into a reflection of your project's objectives. Remember, everything is customizable and interactive. You'll find options to add text, images, and other visual elements to create a mock-up that best suits your purposes. Utilize these tools to make sure your wireframe accurately represents the user interface or user experience you're aiming to achieve. Wireframes are not only great tools for visual planning, but also for communicating design concepts to stakeholders. That pretty much covers how to use wireframes in Miro. By following these simple steps, you can significantly streamline your design process and ensure that everyone on your team is on the same page. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Enjoy creating, and let Miro help bring your ideas to life.